Hello, welcome to Tech to Learn, where you learn coding and more. Today, in this video, we are going to learn about the C++ logical operators with examples. Without any delay, let's roll the intro. First, we need to open our favorite code editor. Generally, logical operators are used to check whether an expression is true or false. If the expression is true, it returns 1, whereas if the expression is false, it returns 0. Basically, we are having three types of logical operators. One is and second one is or, and another one is not. Let's discuss each of the operator in detail. Let's take this example to know briefly about the logical operators. We take the data type of bool because here we are going to check the expressions which yields true. By this example, we can learn the logical operators. Here I took the three boolean data type variables a, b, c, and which I gave the value of true, true, and false for the variable c. And here we are going to print the three types of outputs in the console. We need to check, and operator will give the output 1 when both the expressions a and b are 2, otherwise it will give the false output. False means 0, true means 1. And or operator will give the output 1 when either a or c is true. Not operator will simply reverse the value from true to false or false to true. When we run the program, it will show the output as 1, 1 and 0. Let's decode this, because here we given the value of a, b and c. A as true, b as true and c as false. When true and of true will give the output as 1. Like we know that AND operator will only give the output 1 when a and b are true. If we change the value b to c, then it will give the output as 0, because here c is the false value. We need to consider in mind that AND operator will only yields true when a and b are true. And another operator is OR operator. We can say that if any of the variable is true, then the expression gives the value as true. That's what it given, like a is true and c is false, so it gives the output as true, because like OR operator does, any of the variable a and c are true, it will give the true. Then third operator is NOT operator. Like NOT operator will yields, like it will reverse the output, like a variable containing value of true. So because we are inverting it, that's why it will produce the output as 0. If we change the a variable to c variable, we know that c is the false value. When we run the program, it will automatically reverse the value of c and it will give the output as 1. Like here I used for the example of, like we took the example as a, b, c and we assigned the value of true, for true, true, false. In the general case, we use the arithmetic and logical. Basically in the programming language, we use relational operators and logical operators to perform certain tasks. Like here now we are using the relational operators with logical operators to get the output, like 5 greater than 3 and 10 greater than or equal to 10. These are the two expressions. Like 5 greater than 3 is an expression and 10 greater than or equal to 10 is an expression. We know that 5 is greater than 3, so this expression will give output as true. We know that 10 greater than or equal to 10 and is the true, so this expression gives the output as true. We know that AND operator will give the true when the first expression and second expression is true, so that we can use the relational operators with combined with logical operators to produce some outputs in the real world programming. If you like the content, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.